What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the Homies Garage. Right here we got the homies, and what we working on today is homie Josue's IS300. We finna put on these bad boys right here. Yes, sir. They just came in. The new. Finna go for the low. Looking like homie over here.
Not that side of dumbass.
Look at this.
Look like
Yes, sir. Look at that fitment, boy.
Bro, don't even record that, bro. You gonna record in my headlight?
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
What's going on, kid?
Time to take out the struts. All the struts. We'll put in the new coil.
Shit. What's going on, Josue? What's going on, bro?
All over this motherfucking bitch.
He said, "Está para la verga." He said, "I feel like a monster truck. Gotta go." Look at him. He desperate for the low life. Dang! There he goes. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. Sheesh. Oh, you know about those. Oh shit. This shit just went poop. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. One off. 3 more to go.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Alright, so yesterday you guys saw well, bro, I left hella early yesterday and I also got most of the footage that you're gonna see before this. So coming back today to finish up some adjustments on the coils and stuff like that. But right now, waiting for the guys to show up. I didn't know they were gonna be a little late. I took off these plastic pieces on the front side of the car, bro. I don't really know what they're called, bro. But anyways, as you know, I'm always trying to fucking make that shit less tan. So got some like flat black spray. I'm gonna paint these holes real quick and throw them back in the car. Not too hard, and I'll hit you up whenever the boys get back. Alright. Damn, bro, as you can see, still nobody's here yet, but Ozzo and them came through. But I started doing a little more extra shit with the visors and everything on the car. Got the boy Edgar doing some extra stuff to his car. Can't really say nothing about that. That's his own build. He ain't really part of this channel like that, but he a good friend. But yeah, bro, I'm doing some more dumb shit, bro. fuck this tan stuff, bruh. And fuck trying to pay like $60 just to get all this, bruh. People like really charging out here. I can understand about Type RCs and stuff like that, but not stuff like this. But alright, bruh. Fuck, let's hope they here in the next 30 minutes or something. Alright. Well, everybody just started pulling up, but finished painting this black, the visors, one of the lights. Oh fuck, I forgot the dome light. I'm gonna do it another day. But oh yeah, now so when you look, it's pretty much black dog set. The steering wheel, bro, is still causing me some problems. What you doing, kid?
I'm gonna lower this an inch and a half. So really it's supposed to be like 2 inches, but right now I'm gonna be like 1 inch and a half. I don't want to move it too much.
Damn. Oh, Sway, how do you feel having that Carolina squat?
No good. No good. Better adjust, better adjust. Gotta go 2.5 inches in the front. I think half. God damn! Shit! Coilover's gone wrong. Shit! Now we got nothing to worry about. We got the kid on it. Yeah! Magic coming.